All right, so John has completed the assembly of the we call it the Hogue swing. I made some cables, some hanging cables. I'm gonna give this pair to John. All right, and they're measured between the lower and the upper mount, and we're kind of estimating how this is gonna hang. We hope we did the math correctly. I didn't do any math. I just did a guess. But we're going to take the insulated 3/8 cabling, galvanized cabling with a thimble. So we're going to do the longer one, John, on the front one.
Sounds good.
All right, which is this one. Like that. And then the short one will go on the back, or the upper.
Right.
So that's the concept right there. So from here we have 2 more shackles. We'll go from rope. This is going to be hung off a tree on an old estate up in Pulaski. So we're going to go out on our porch. We have some I-beams, and we're going to hang them and see how it sits. All right, take your side that way. All right. I want to make sure that these cables don't come into the piece. They have to go outside the piece. So we're going to set our mounting points wider than the bench. Out of there. Oh, look at that. Look at the pitch.
That's perfect.
All right, here's the test, everybody. Jump in, John. We just leave it right here for a little while. We'll have our lunch out here. It sounds good. It's going out to an old place called Belhampton Farm, which is up in Pulaski, Dublin area, Virginia. And it's just an old homestead, 400 something acres. It's pretty cool. All right, John, good job.
Thank you.
All right, man.
Looks good.
Yeah, it does. We could all 3 sit on it. This is the test, guys.
Oh,
now this
okay.
is we're putting almost a half a ton on here. All right, everybody feeling okay? Put your feet up. All right, that's a solid 600 pounds.
For sure.
Maybe more. I'm
215.
I'm the fatty here. We can do
Come
without
up here,
that.
Stell.
Come here, baby.
Let's make it 725.
Come on up here. Come on. That's a girl. That's a girl. Now this is it. This is it. This is the right here. Yes. Now May wants to come up. You want to come up, May?
I don't know if there's room, May.
All right.
I think your welds will be just fine, John.
Yeah, I think so too.
I'm up at the Belhampton Farms in Southwest Virginia. This is an old, probably, I don't know if it's a King's Grant, but it's a beautiful, beautiful property. Been in this family for many, many generations. And I just love this place. It's just it's very peaceful, good energy. They're cattle farmers raising Wagyu. You know, if anybody knows what Wagyu is, it's a cherished beef. This is the estate, which was, again, it's probably 1700s. And these folks put it back in good nick and really paid respect to the old architecture, and it's got a big history. I always like coming up here because it's just so peaceful. There's a huge oak tree here on the property that they've kept alive and And it's hundreds of years old. I couldn't tell you. It's probably, I don't know that it's original to the property, but it's probably 150, 200 years old. But it's it right here. And the project we just finished for the folks here is a swing. We kind of modeled it off a chair we did. And it's got Ipe. There we go. Look at these pups. Come on over here. Come on, look at this. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh no, this is all perfect. It's a perfect ending.